Hi, Ben. Are you excited about the upcoming holiday?
Yes, Anna.
I can't wait.
Do you have any plans?
I'm thinking about going on a trip. How about you?
That sounds great. I want to travel too.
Where do you want to go?
I'm not sure. Maybe to the beach or the mountains. What do you think?
I love the beach.
Last year I went to the coast and it was amazing.
That's a good idea. The beach is relaxing. Did you swim a lot?
Yes, I swam every day.
And I built sandcastles.
Do you like swimming?
I do. I also enjoy sunbathing. Let's go to the beach then.
Perfect. We can look for a nice hotel near the beach.
Good idea. We should book it soon.
Yes, I'll search for hotels tonight. What's your budget?
Around $300 for the stay. Is that okay?
That works for me.
I'll find something at our budget.
Great. What activities do you want to do there?
I want to try surfing.
And maybe a boat trip? How about you?
I'd love to join the boat trip and maybe some beach volleyball.
Sounds like a fun plan.
We'll have a great time.
Yes, I'm so excited. Let's start packing soon.
Absolutely.
This holiday will be awesome. By the way, Anna, what do you think about inviting Mark and Mary?
Mark and Mary? That sounds fun. Do they like the beach?
Yes, they love it. Last summer we all went to the lake together.
Great. They seem really nice.
They are, and they're great at planning activities.
That would be helpful. More people can make it more fun.
Exactly. I'll text them and ask if they're interested.
Great idea. It will be nice to have a group.
I agree.
More friends, more memories.
I'm looking forward to it. This trip is going to be amazing.
Hello, I'm calling to inquire about booking a room near Cocoa Beach. Can you help me?
Hi, Ben, of course. I'd be happy to assist. How many guests will be staying?
There will be 4 of us.
Great. And what's your budget for the room?
We're hoping to find something under $300.
Understood. Let me check our availability. Are your travel dates fixed?
Yes, we're looking at the 15th to the 20th of next month.
Perfect. I have a few options. Are you interested in any specific amenities?
Well, we'd like a room with a nice view of the beach if possible.
I have a room that fits your requirements. It's a beachfront room with a balcony, priced at $280 per night.
That sounds good.
Does the price include breakfast?
Yes, it includes a complimentary breakfast for all guests.
Great. And what about Wi-Fi and parking?
Both Wi-Fi and parking are included at no extra cost.
Sounds perfect. What's the cancellation policy?
You can cancel up to 48 hours before your check-in date without any charge.
Good to know.
How do I proceed with the booking?
I'll need some details to reserve the room. Can I have your full name and a contact number?
Sure, my full name is Benjamin Clark, and my phone number is 099-23511.
Thanks, Benjamin. I'll send you an email with the booking details and a link for the payment.
Great. We'll look out for that.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, Ben. If you have any more questions, feel free to call us. Enjoy your stay at Cocoa Beach.
Good afternoon. I'm Benjamin Clark. I have a reservation starting today.
Good afternoon, Mr. Clark. Welcome to our hotel. Let me just pull up your reservation. Could you please provide a photo ID?
Sure, here's my driver's license.
Thank you, Mr. Clark. I see you're booking for a beachfront room with a balcony from the 15th to the 20th. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Excellent choice. You'll have a stunning view of Cocoa Beach. Will you need assistance with your luggage?
No, thank you. We've managed it.
Understood. Your room is prepared for you. Here are your key cards. You're in room 408.
Thank you. Could you please remind me of the Wi-Fi password?
Of course. The Wi-Fi is complimentary, and the password is Welcome 2024.
Great. And what time does breakfast start?
Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the dining area on the first floor.
Perfect. Is there a gym or pool in the hotel?
Yes, we have both. The gym is open 24/7 and is located on the second floor, and our pool is open until 10 p.m.
Nice.
And how about room service?
Room service is available until midnight. You'll find a menu in your room.
That's great. Also, is there a shuttle service to the town center?
Yes, we offer a complimentary shuttle service every 2 hours.
Good to know. Lastly, where can I find information about local tours?
You can check out the brochures over there or speak to our concierge for personalized recommendations.
Thanks for all the information. That should be everything for now.
You're welcome, Mr. Clark. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to contact the front desk. Enjoy your stay.
I'm sure we will. Thank you.